Well, what do we have here? As of March 31st, 2022, this piece was written by Timothy, I guess his name is pronounced Huzzar. Well, a male birth control pill. Looks like the baby mama hustle is about to come to an end. All these years, imagine that. Men being enslaved by their pockets. And now it looks like we have some kind of recourse. There are many forms of contraception for women, but only 2 for men. The lack of the pill for men places a burden of responsibility on women. Yeah, right. We'll often have to manage the side effects of contraceptives. Well, no problem, ladies. Looks like we have a solution to that problem. I mean, this piece might have been, written from a feminist point of view, even though it's a dude. But never here nor less, the good news is, looks like men have a birth control pill that's coming on the market. I'm gonna put this link to this article in on a video. But it seems like the piece has been written from an angle of gnashing of the teeth, like they really didn't want this discovery to happen and was hoping it wouldn't happen. Might even discovered it on an accident, but now that it's here, it's like, that's how the article seems like it was written out, But anyway, it's coupled with lack of funding and research interest into methods of contraception for men. Yeah, the bottom line is that few have seen the benefit, financial or otherwise, in working to provide reliable contraceptives for men. Yeah, I can agree with that. But, I'm just glad this is medical news today. So this is a new article. So the main hustle for baby mamas and bitter ex-girlfriends is the child support system. Now everybody know about the family court and all that, but it's the child support system that's been a thorn in men's side for decades. You've had women even doing videos bragging about trapping a man, saying they did it on purpose. One woman said she went in the trash can in the bathroom and used the semen out of that and put it in herself and got herself pregnant. So this baby mama hustle been going on for a long time. And now the house of cards is starting to crumble. The house of cards is starting to crumble. What y'all gonna do now? See, for years, women didn't even have to worry about this. They could keep doing what they're doing. They even got so bold to make videos bragging about being deceptive and getting pregnant on purpose just to get a check. Just to have Godfather government watch over them. And the end result being the man's pockets get drugged through the mud. Along with himself. Now, this experiment they did on mice first, of course. Now they're going to start human trials. So it said the pill not only reduced sperm count in mice and was able to prevent pregnancy with 99% effectiveness, but it also did so without any observable side effects. That's very interesting. Very interesting, and this is great news. Great news. That's all I got to say about that. That's what's up. Anyway, I'm gonna put this article at the in the video and shit, so y'all can read it for yourself. But yo, just hey, fellas, the house of cards is falling on the baby mamas. The baby mama hustle bubble is finally burst. What y'all gonna do now? Now y'all gonna have to listen to what Biggie told y'all back in the 90s. Don't get mad. UPS is hiring. And you know fellas is gonna take this. Especially if we dealing with a woman that we ain't trying to be with like that. But yo, y'all let me know about this great news for the baby mama's hustle bubble being burst. It's about goddamn time. Take it how you want to take it. I ain't got no talent. Fuck it.